Indoor comfort isn't just about temperature, it's about how a space feels throughout the day and across changing seasons. Natural light, airflow, and consistent temperatures all play a role in making a home comfortable and inviting. For homeowners in Washington, bow windows offer a unique way to improve indoor comfort year-round while also enhancing the home's overall design. What makes bow windows different? Bow windows are made up of multiple window panels that curve outward from the home, creating a gentle arc rather than a flat surface. This design adds depth and allows light to enter from several angles. In Washington homes, this multi-panel structure helps distribute light and warmth more evenly, reducing the extremes often felt near standard windows. Improving natural light without overheating. One of the biggest contributors to indoor comfort is natural light. Rooms that lack daylight often feel cold, dark, or uninviting. Bow windows allow sunlight to enter from multiple directions, brightening living spaces throughout the day. In Washington homes, this balanced light helps warm interiors naturally without concentrating heat in a single spot, supporting comfortable conditions in every season. Reducing drafts and temperature fluctuations. Drafts can make even well-furnished rooms uncomfortable. Older or poorly designed windows often allow air leaks that disrupt indoor temperatures. Bow windows are designed to fit securely within their framing. When installed properly, they help reduce air movement around the window area. Washington homeowners often notice fewer drafts and more stable temperatures near bow windows compared to older window styles. Creating comfortable seating and living areas. Spaces near windows are often underused because of temperature discomfort. Bow windows help change that by creating more stable conditions near the glass. In Washington homes, seating areas near bow windows become more inviting year-round. Whether relaxing during cooler months or enjoying daylight during warmer seasons, these spaces feel consistently comfortable. Supporting better airflow. When desired comfort isn't just about sealing out air, it's also about controlling it. Bow windows often include operable side panels that allow homeowners to manage ventilation intentionally. Washington homeowners can enjoy fresh air during mild conditions while maintaining a secure, closed structure when needed. This flexibility supports comfort without sacrificing control. Enhancing room balance and openness. The curved design of bow windows adds visual and physical depth to a room. This helps spaces feel larger and less confined. In Washington homes, this added openness improves overall comfort by reducing the boxed-in feeling that can make rooms feel stuffy or cramped, especially during long periods indoors. Improving comfort across all seasons. Seasonal changes can make certain rooms uncomfortable at different times of the year. Bow windows help smooth out these extremes. By distributing light evenly and supporting better insulation, bow windows help Washington homes stay comfortable during cooler months and remain pleasant during warmer ones, without constant adjustments. Reducing reliance on temporary comfort fixes. Many homeowners rely on heavy curtains, draft blockers, or furniture rearrangements to manage window-related discomfort. With bow windows, Washington homeowners often find fewer reasons for temporary fixes. The improved comfort makes rooms easier to enjoy as they are. Enhancing daily living and relaxation. Comfort has a direct impact on how spaces are used. Well-lit, draft-free rooms support relaxation, focus, and family time. Bow windows help Washington homeowners create environments that feel calm and welcoming, whether for quiet mornings or lively evenings. A lasting comfort upgrade. Bow windows aren't just a design feature, they're a comfort upgrade that continues to deliver value over time. For homeowners in Washington, bow windows improve indoor comfort year-round by balancing light, reducing drafts, and enhancing airflow control. The result is a home that feels more comfortable, open, and enjoyable in every season.